Akong kong tadi special citizen bill Zambia Home Minister Malaka Omid Sabai Zengze Wan Chumani borok sini feelings to bujuan hanesin problem bujuan pheba ulta se bini o isuna se jono bujana bai bonu hono jono compromise khanya bagai bakabama ok saka pheba sini single state illegal migrants sungkun mote phono accept khaimia जों काइसो proposal ka jodi obsana nung illegal migrants bagai hamdardi hingai sympathy hingai indigenous borong bagai bendor hamjao hingai notice to exclude khaji bagi state ro hodi pheba bo tabok wan chubi nanya sawo tam mungno जों saimia ji movement जों chori changnai according to their step bong tam step amno sero jesep they no neshu जों amno ansuk sahojege harmania will not give up in this simple way. Almost a message or rally, almost a strong warning. Central government hona bagai, Tripura ni bororok, notice ni bororok se omoni or billi against take or compromise great.
Liam rai sol vaile ngaron hui Kudet le ngani thei pyai Natak lo sang thale Lung khang lung khui Thing khang kun chele Ni sayang Bono ani hano onarung nai Tripura mano thirui fano langma rui bo jungle ohani busu jungle ohani busu
jotno hambai tini sing jointly tini protest je CIB ne sing tini protest khai tini khumulungo 30 sing tini protest khanya baddo maung kha je jointly tini regional political parties tongo NGOs tongo tai tini civil society tongo so we are very proud tini sing khansa khai sing ek awaso sing CIB ने जों अपोज करी तो मैं यही बोलना चाहता हूँ सबको जे हम लोग का स्टैंड पॉइंट क्लियर है उसमें कुछ दोहराई नहीं है हम CIB को अपोज करते हो और CIB को हम प्रोटेस्ट करते हो क्योंकि कल हमको बोला गया था मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम से और खुद होम मिनिस्टर हमको बोला गया है
ये CAB सब जगह में लागू होने वाला है। लेकिन हम उस भी उसको प्रोटेस्ट किया। हम हमारा तरफ से जो मूवमेंट करना है हम करेंगे। अगर जब उस भी ना होगा तो हम आप तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक हम जाएगी, यही हम उसको बोला था। लेकिन वो भी हमको बोला था यस आप लोग का अधिकार है, आप लोग का राइट है, आप लोग कर सकती है। इसलिए मैं आज भी वार्न करती हूँ, अगर ये CAB अगर ड्रॉप नहीं किया तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट का लोग चुप नहीं बैठेगा, त्रिपुरा का लोग चुप नहीं बैठेगा। आगे और भी हम अगेंस्ट दिस बिल वी हैव टू प्रोसीड। थैंक यू।
Jolma jalshani uklogo bushu khai chik shina
Uila do fani kong no se wan chudi Ulo se ring thung no thung di Uila ni ni ta khong no se mu thang di Ulo se bui ni kong no wan chok di Iri ui tong ke ching hui jagi tong ke Tong thai sini beba tu mai tangai Mobil no cheng ka soyake Di prasani mu hai huzangai Oh coba tong tharung thungi coba ya Oh coba oh hani pusaroni se Oh coba kupur kosongi ya Oh coba di prasaruni bagi se
Zenjal kotor masini fai tongo Orang tabu pisana nanggi tongo Sini nuntu manai kado Tinang sini komo manai tongo
Tongla kini tina Nugla di prashani makha Ozung dal no chuka shoya ke Mana jakini dushka Kecak kekerang Kupur kosong Himlayawi Cencap Joran syukuradu Sashabai sidi Baca bersidi Sini hamak seno Nang syogi tongka Sini hamak seno Nang syogi tongka हमने क्या गलती किया है क्या हमें इंसाफ मिलेगा ऐसे ना कुछ करता हो कि नाम निशान मेरा मिट जाए बोबाई बंदी जगे खाना पीना माखी जगे आशिक चंगोई माखुनो गई बियां takkan orogui जगे Otakune ni koshozati Obukune ni riyadati Otakune ni koshozati Obukune ni riyadati Naya juga terintagam Naya juga
Ahasaka Hatali paika Ha amani bagi Nagmakaika Oko ganani Ani busarok sangke Nintamahin Sanay ba
Today, the 30th of November, we are here in Khumlung staging a protest agitation in a torchlight form. We want to send a message to the Indian government saying that the indigenous people of Tripura are against CAB. India should not think that Tripura is alone. Northeast is not a dumping ground of the illegal foreigners. We stand united, all the indigenous people, the indigenous people of the Northeast. By passing this CAB, Tripura will be in a threat, as we are already surrounded on 3 sides by Bangladesh. It will be an easy access for the Bangladeshis to come into India, which is Tripura. So it will rather threaten more and more, and the indigenous people will become more and more microscopic to more microscopic minority. So by these talks, really, we want to send a message to the Indian government that if you pass the bill in this winter session, Tripura or the Northeast will burn. So this cap or the Citizenship Amendment Bill, which was first placed in 2016, now in 2019, should not be brought back, which will, the Northeast will burn if CAB comes up and if this is passed. So India government should not place the bill in the form of religious minority, because the indigenous people are already minority. So this should not come in India. Purpose of today's torchlight rally is that we want to send a clear message to the Indian government that indigenous people of Tripura is also against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. As like the other parts of the northeastern states, we are already a microscopic minority. By passing this CAB in India or Tripura, this will hamper the most among the indigenous people of Tripura and the Northeast. And this should not come. If the bill is passed in India, there will be a fire in the Northeast. If India doesn't want to burn Northeast, let them stop CAB.